Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name Muhammad Hanif and our partner company members Ahmad Farhan, and my company name is Angkasa SdnBhd as a consultant company that the task given by New Electronic by Haji Adam to improve their production output to 10%. So Haji Adam give our company budget is 100,000 to improve their production output. So without any further, Ahmad Farhan will explain the rest of layout.
Okay, so basically this is the layout of the Dewak factory. So what does this company do is they have three product, which is the first one is raw material, and then we have a single panel board, and then we have double panel board. So how this factory work is, firstly we have the magazine, and then the magazine for raw material, and then we have the SP machines, and then we will proceed to the SM machine. For single panel board, we have three SM machine, SM1, 2, and 3. And then after the SM machine finish, it will goes toward the oven. And then it will goes toward this machine is for QC purposes, and we check the faulties and whatnot. And then it will proceed toward the depaneling. And then before it finish for our customer, it will goes to the testing parts, and then it will put toward the sinks. So this is the sink for single panel board, and this one is the sink for double panel board. So the function of the machine is exactly the same for the double panel board, except that it has this one is called flip machine. It will flip the boards, and then we have only two SM machine. Okay, so basically that's it for the layout of the project. Okay, so let us run this model and see the result. Okay, so before starting, I would like to apologize because I cannot show the animation because it will cause lag problem for my laptops. Okay, so I will run this model. So it is decided that we have to run for 160 hours, 60 and 60, and the warm-up time for this is supposed to be 8 hours. So 8 times by 60. Okay, run this. Okay, so this is the result. So as we can observe, the raw material is in white color, and then it changed to blue, which is the single panel. And then after we flip the board, and the SM machine operate, and the product for double panel is red. Okay, so let us see the statistic output for this model. Okay, so this is the statistic output. As you can see, 160 hours of operation with 8 hours warm-up time, and then this is the finished part of our project. The finished part, Sing 1 for single panel product, and Sing 2 is for double panel. So all of this machine, we have allocated all of the respective failure. We have machine assist SP and machine assist SM, breakdown SM. So we have allocated all of the settings provided. Alright, so this one, I will set this one. Okay, so let us move to what me and Hanif has done to improve this factory output by at least 10%. Okay, so this is the layout for our improved factory. I will let Hanif explain. Right, Nick?
So the improvement layout, me and Pak adding a SP machine that costs 20,000. Then the oven part capacity, we add 10 part capacity. For capacity per part costing, their costing is 5,000. So we add 10 part. So the total for oven costing is 50,000. And the last part we add is SA machine 5. So the cost is the cost is 30,000. So the total cost for upgrading this production is 100,000. Alright.
Okay, so let us run this model and see what improvement have been done. So run, I will simulate, and once more, I apologize because I have to turn off the animations. Then we run. Okay, the setting is the same. 160 hours is needed. It's needed to run, and we need excuse me, right? We need 8 hours of warming up time. Okay, we run this one. So we gain the similar output. The blue indicate the single panel one and the red indicate for the double panel. So let us see the statistics. That's model. Okay, so I will put the new statistics, the improved project on the right side, and the original projects, the original factory layouts on the left side. So it is our task is to improve the output by at least 10%. So it is obvious here, you can see the finished part. So we have improved for the Sing 1, for the single panel by a slight, and Sing 2 for the double panel by a lot. So the increment is actually the increment that we have done is by 20%. Okay, by that it is proven that our project is successful by given the budget for 100K. All right, so that's all from us. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.